Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. From today, we are going to study about the new topic genetics. Some basic fundamentals. Genetics means what, student? It is the branch of biology and it is the study of transmission of body feature, body characters, both similarities and difference from parents to the offspring. It is called as the genetics. See, student, in whenever the child is born in your family members, the all members are resemble. He and she appearance look like her father, her mother, her brother. Got it? Means we are comparison. Some body characters are look like her mother, look like her father. Why, student? Why we are comparison like that small baby to the parents? Because the baby is inherit the characters, some characters, body features from their parents. So we resemble him or her to the parents. Got it? In that lesson, we have to study some basic fundamentals which is related to the genetics. Understood, student? What is mean by genetics? Let us see the definition of genetics. Genetics is the study of transmission of body feature, both similarities and difference from parents to the offspring. It is called as a genetics. In the genetics, we have to study about that the genes, genetic variation, heredity in all living organism. You know that what is mean by genes already. We have studied about that the genes in the lesson structure of chromosome. We have seen the chromosome, only the cell is going to the divide itself. Got it? And the gene means what, student? Gene is the particular segment of DNA. DNA, it is a part of the chromosome. We have seen in the last lesson. If you have any doubt regarding it, you go through my previous video and watch it. Then you clear it what is meant by gene. Gene is inherit some characters. Like see, the particular part of the particular segment of the DNA is called as the genes, and these genes contain the many nucleotides. Nucleotides, it is the compound of the some phosphate, sugar, nitrogenous base. We have studied about that, and these protein is in higher classes you have to study about that what is the transcription, translocation. Got it? And these characters are inherit from parents to the offspring. Got it? This is called as the genetics. Understood? Genes? Genes is the particular segment of DNA, and these genes have a coded some features, and these coded features are transported from parents to the offspring. This term is the first time given by the Austrian monk, Austrian scientist Gregor Johannes Mendel. He was first time study about that the genetics. So the Gregor Mendel is called as the father of genetics. Let us see some information about the Gregor Mendel. Maybe in your exam ask the question who was first given the terms the genetics. Then answer is that the Gregor Johannes Mendel. Why it is called the father of genetics? Because he first time discovered the theory of the genetics. What happens, student? He is the Austrian monk. He had study in the monastery. Monastery means what? It is the uh, monastery means there have so many sant like that. Got it? Monk means sant. Got it? In Marathi is called as a sant. And monastery it is a large garden. There are living large place. There are living in the monk. And he studied the science and math. He want to become a teacher, but his bad luck he failed in the teaching exam. So he didn't become a teacher. But again he returned to his monastery. There is the huge garden. There are so many plants. He always observing it, and he could be research or the plant. He choose the pea plant. You know pea plant, pea matar, pea plant. It is also botanical name, the Pisum sativum. The in the exam maybe ask the question, why the Mendels choose the pea plant? Because student, it is very short lifespan, so he can make the many experiment over it. It have the 7 contrasting characters, so it is easy to refer the body structure, refer the characteristics, and it is the bisexual flower. So by the self pollination and cross pollination, with the help the many varieties we can produce. Got it, student? So the Mendels, the Gregor Johannes Mendels are choose the pea plant. Understood? And later his discovered, he become the teachers of teachers, and so it is called as the father of genetics. Why it is called the father of genetics? Because the Gregor Mendel has first time given the terms genetics, so he is called the father of genetics. Got it, students? 3-4 question is very important. Name who's called the father of genetics, which plants are selected by the Gregor Mendel's. Why the pea plant is selected for the experiment? There have a 3 reason. Because it is very short lifespan. There have a 7 contrasting characters are present in the pea plant, and it is the bisexual flower. So there are we can grow the many types of the many contrasting characters. We can experiment many contrasting characters. So he chose the pea plant. Understood, student? Who is the father of genetics? Let us see, student. You know genetics means the transmission of characters. Same, it is the difference and similar also. Next term is important, is the heredity. Many times we can say like that, I inherit my hair color is like my mother. I inherit my eyes color, my father. Why? Because the inherit means the transmission of genetically based characters from parents to the offspring. Got it? Heredity समझ में आ गया बेटा? Heredity means what? The transmission of genetically based similar characteristics from parents to the offspring. It is called as the heredity. And variation means some small difference among the individual. It is called as the variation. First upon, I will explain to the student characters. Characters means like that. See, your color of eyes, your hair shape, your body color, your skin color, means this is the characters. This is the characters means your body. So many means your nose shape, your lip shape, your color, face size. It is the characters. And the traits. Traits means what, student? Traits means the difference character, alternative form of character. Means see, we select the hair shape. Hair shape. Hair shape means some have a straight hair, some have a curly hair. Got it? Means the hair shape is the character, and curly and straight it is the traits. Understood? Means see, the skin color. The skin color is also, there are many skin color, like in Indian, the some foreigner, they have very glow. Got it? Means this is the skin color. It is also transmit from parents to the offspring. Skin color is the characters, and the color of the skin, it is the traits. Got it, student? Color of eyes. Some eyes have a brown color, some have a blue color, some have a black color. Means the color of eye is the character. Color of eye is the characters, and the brown color, blue color, black color, it is the traits. Got it? And these heredity means similar characters are transmitted from parents to the offspring. It is called as the heredity. Character, got it? What is meant by character? What is meant by trait? Character means the body feature. It is called as the characters. and some alternative form of body feature is called as the traits. Let us see variation. Why the variation is happen? Means, see student, the like begets like, means the young one look like their parents. But some student, the cat reproduce kitten, dog reproduce puppy, means same species can reproduce same species, but some difference between, means, see, in our society there are so many human beings. It is the botanical name Homo sapien. All means human being is a species. Homo sapien, it is the botanical name. Got it? All have a two eyes, all have a one nose, two hand. All characters are same, but the characters are different, means all are not identical to each other. All have some small difference to each other. This is called as the variation. Not in our society, see in your family also, father, mother and two children. These two children are not identical copy of their parents. They also have some variation. What it happens student? It happen when the male gametes and female gametes are fused to each other, means the two different types of the genes. See, this is the male gametes and this is the female gametes. When two gametes are fused and form the zygote, means in that zygote there are two different types of the genes are add to each other, so the new varieties produce. Got it? That's why the variation. Understood? Variation समझ में आ गया बेटा आपको? Variation is a small difference among the individual. It is called as the variation. Sometime the mutation is happening in the genes also. Mutation means what student? The sudden change in the DNA. It is called as the mutation, and due to the mutation some variations is occur in the offspring. Got it student? Variation and heredity. Heredity means similar characters are transmission from parents to the offspring, and variation means what? Small difference among the individuals is called as the variation. See student, if there is some twins also, their parents are same, they are twins, but some variations are occur in both twins. This variation is occur in the mutation, means sudden change in their DNA. That's why they have some difference to each other. Got it student? Characters क्या होता है, traits क्या होता है, heredity, variation. Next term is the chromosome. In the previous lesson, the structure of chromosomes already we have seen. What is the structure of chromosome? The chromosomes are we can visible only when the cell is divided into the two daughter cell. That times we can observe the structure of chromosomes. There are two sister chromosomes, and in the center centromeres they are joined. I taught you the chromosomes is always in pair. Always in pair. There are in human being there are 23 pair of chromosome. In human being there are 23 pair of chromosomes. Pair, it is not the single chromosome. They are always in the pair of chromosomes. All organisms have a number of chromosomes, so the human being can reproduce human being due to the chromosomes. The cat reproduce kitten, dog reproduce puppy. Got it? Why? Because the number of chromosomes are reproduce their same species. Understood? There are homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome means the pair of corresponding chromosomes are same shape and size. It is called as the homologous chromosome. See, first pair, second pair, third pair. See, both chromosomes have a same shape and size. This similar pair of chromosome is called as the homologous chromosome. Got it? Means all the chromosomes have in pair. There are 23 pair of chromosomes. Out of 23, 22 pair of chromosome is called as the autosomes. 22 pair is the identical. These all 22 pair are similar. Both are similar to each other. This is called as the autosomes, and the last 23rd pair is called as the sex chromosome. These chromosomes are determine the baby boy or baby girls. Got it? There are the chromosomes. The chromosomes structure, you know that. What is the structure? Homologous chromosome means the chromosomes have an identical pair. These identical pair of chromosome, identical pair means what? The pairs are similar in size, shape, and each derived from the two parents. Means, see, I told you the zygote is formed from the fusion of male and female gametes. Means the one pair is from male and one is the female. These identical, and 22 pair of the chromosome is called as the autosomes, and these chromosomes, these 22 pair of the chromosomes are prepare our body part, and the 23rd pair of chromosomes is determine the kinds, means it determine the baby is a boy or baby is a girl. Baby boy है या baby girls है, it is determined by the 23rd pair of chromosomes. In the sex determination, I will explain in details how does the baby boy will be reproduced, how does the baby girls will be reproduced. In this topic we have to study the homologous chromosome, autosomes, and sex chromosomes. Got it? Homologous chromosome means similar pair of chromosome. Autosomes means 22nd pair of chromosomes. It is called as the homologous chromosome, and these chromosome is called as the autosomes, and these chromosomes is responsible for the body feature. And the last 23rd pair of chromosome is called as the sex chromosomes, and these chromosomes are responsible for the baby boy will be reproduced or baby girls will be reproduced. Got it, student? What is the structure of chromosomes? In the next video, I will explain in details about that the sex determination. Thank you, student.